Hi, my name's Allie, and this is my husband Justin. In 2019, we purchased a Sprinter van and have spent the last year converting it into a tiny home on wheels. We are finally done, so buckle up and let's hit the road. We made it to California!
That's right. We did accidentally drive up a snowy mountain in the middle of the night, but it's okay. We turned around, got back down, and arrived at Joshua Tree.
'We made it to Joshua Tree, and so Justin found this cool palm tree hike that we're going to do. So we're gonna go ahead and get our shoes on. It's 2:58 and we're just now getting on the hike. I swear we are the slowest people ever, but who cares? Let's go on the hike.
3.4 miles.
A little bummed because this trail said there was going to be tons of palm trees, and there just aren't.
Yeah, there was that little grove right when we walked through, and that was it. And there's also not as many Joshua trees as we were, like, we drove through a section of the park and they were everywhere, like big, cool, crazy looking ones. So I don't know, maybe we just did the wrong trail, because like this.
Like, it's pretty, like there's mountains, but we were coming here for the Joshua trees. So Justin thinks that these are Joshua trees, and I don't.
Pretty sure.
And some rude girl just came on and confirmed with Justin that they were, but I don't think they are based off the ones we saw yesterday. So I have a bet. If they are Joshua trees,
she has to let me buy a soda.
Deal. And if they're not, I want a chocolate shake.
Alright. That's the deal. Ah, cool, babe. Look at that little Joshua tree that you're about to walk past.
It's a palm, I swear. This hike really isn't what we thought it was going to be. And it's 30 minutes till 4, and the sun sets at 5:30-ish, so we kind of don't want to continue this hike if it's not what we are expecting. I definitely don't hate the hike, it's just...
It feels like we're wasting our Joshua Tree experience. We're not, like, it's just not, because we drove through a section, there was a lot, so that's what we were expecting for the hike. So I think what we're going to do, drive back to that area, that way we can kind of take in the sights of Joshua Tree a little better, you know?
Hello. I'm happy to announce it didn't take too long to get back to our good old trusty Coco. Alright girl, take us somewhere else. I have this handy dandy map that has a handy dandy guide to your surroundings, and Mojave Yucca is what we saw earlier. So you owe me a milkshake.
What? Can't hear you.
So this is what Justin said was a Joshua tree, and this is what I said a Joshua tree was.
Okay, I get it. It wasn't a Joshua tree. Whatever.
Go get milkshakes.
We're gonna go find somewhere with service so we can look up an In-N-Out to go get milkshakes.
I want the largest size you can get. Wait a second, are you getting a milkshake? I'll let you.
Okay.
The order has been placed. Justin, being the dorkopotamus he is, accidentally threw away his straw. So I'm gonna use a glass straw.
Third try's a charm.
Cheers.
Well guys, now that we've got our bellies full of In-N-Out, we are gonna call it a night. But we will catch you up in the morning. We found this pretty cool town nearby we're gonna head into, so we'll see you then. Good morning. Got a little colder last night than we thought, but that's alright. Gonna make some coffee and hit the road.
We found this beautiful spot, but it's a little bit of a bummer because people graffitied all over it. Still pretty cool, but this place was really not a good place to sleep. It's called the Big Rock on Overlander. And I mean, it's beautiful, but there's a lot of people out, like constantly driving past, vandalizing the rock. So
at first we thought it was just people on their like AHVs or whatever they're called, those like dune buggy things, because there were a few of those were the first ones we saw.
That's pretty common on BLM land.
Yeah, but then these pickups started pulling in and they would just park right in front of us with their headlights shining right in the front. And they would just be chilling out by the rocks for like 20 minutes and they drive away to another one. This morning we woke up and there's like this creepy abandoned car parked like right next to us.
And it wasn't there last night. There's
like no windshield. It's like, well, let's head out.
We're gonna just hit the road. Yeah, I gotta pick me out an outfit, and I wanna make it a country outfit, because we're at a country kind of place.
Your country accent sucks.
Road!
Now y'all going down out here and throwing a metal belt at my head? Y'all could have killed me.
What you gonna do about it?
Well, I tell y'all here what, nothing, because y'all my wife and I love you.
I think this is about as country as I can get. Let's giddy up, cowgirls.
Yeehaw!
Town jail.
I promise, I'm a good gal.
What'd you do to get in there?
I was too cute.
Oh, naturally. Alright, well, I'm gonna go find food.
Mama! Mama! Let me out! Let me out! I promise I'll be a good gal. Thank you so much. I'm just so relieved. I was so scared to be in there. I was in there for a straight minute, and it was just awful. It was just awful, let me tell you.
Pioneer Town Bank. They pull teeth. Alright, well, we're heading back to the van.
Come on in here, partner. Well, I think that's where we're going to end this video. We're gonna just be doing a lot of driving because I think we're heading to Florida for some better beaches, hopefully.
We're just chasing summer and winter right now, wherever we can go, so.
Yeah.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, definitely give it a giant thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button. We do post new videos every Sunday, so.
We'll see you next week. Bye.